There's been a lot of debate around COVID vaccination for kids in the country. With new variants of COVID-19 spreading at an alarming rate all over the world, vaccinating children is now being seen as a key to breaking this chain of transmission. Vaccines are also important for kids to return to schools safely, which have now been shut for nearly 15 months since the pandemic began last year. Addressing concerns around the reopening of schools in some states, AIIMS Director Dr. Randeep Guleria recently has said that shots should be made available by September at least for children. Let's take a quick look at all the COVID-19 vaccines that may be available now for children in India soon enough. Zyra has concluded its trials for those aged between 12 and 18 years and has applied for emergency use authorization of its DNA plasmid vaccine. The Ahmedabad-based drug company has now submitted safety and tolerability data from the phase 2 clinical trials and has now generated data on 1,000 adolescents from its phase 3 trials. If the approval is provided, supply of this vaccine is expected to start by August-September. Bharat Biotech's Covaxin, indigenous vaccine maker Bharat Biotech is also carrying out phase 2 and 3 trials of its whole virus vaccine Covaxin on children in the age group of 2 and 18 years. Meanwhile, the AIIMS chief has said that the results of the Covaxin trials are expected by at least September. Pfizer BioNTech, the US Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has now authorized Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine for those aged 12 to 15 years. In May, at least, the vaccine should be out. However, Pfizer has now been insisting on an indemnity clause before agreeing to supplying the COVID-19 vaccines to India. The AIIMS chief has said that Pfizer vaccine can also be an option for children in India once it gets its nod. Moderna. Last month, the European Medicines Watchdog approved the use of Moderna's mRNA COVID-19 vaccine for children aged 12 to 17. The EU drug regulator has said that Spikevax vaccine was found safe for children aged between 12 to 17 years and produced a comparable antibody response as seen in young adults aged 18 to 25 years of age. However, legal hurdles now need to be sorted out for its vaccines to be available in India soon. Sputnik V. Trials of Russia's Sputnik V COVID-19 vaccine for children aged between 12 to 17 years are currently underway in Moscow. While Sputnik vaccines for adults are available in India already, there have been no talks as yet for shots for children.